When you add or edit a choice field, you can choose to show an image for each option. Once you select Show Images, you can click the Upload button and choose your file. Cognito Forms supports JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and SVG images. If you don't upload an image for a choice, no problem. That option will simply display with text only. However, if you do upload an image, you must also include an accompanying text label, or else the choice option won't appear on your form. While text labels are required, you can choose to hide them on your form if you prefer. It's important that each text label is unique. If any of the text labels are identical, choosing one option will cause all of those items to be selected, because the form sees them as the same choice. Once your images are added, they'll show up in several places automatically. On your live form, where your users will make their selection, and in the entries grid, so you can quickly identify selected items. However, they will not appear in generated documents or email notifications. To change the appearance of your choices, you can adjust your selection type and style options. Your selection type can be either single, which allows only one selection, or multiple, which allows more than one selection. Once you save your form, you can't change the selection type, so choose this part carefully. For single select fields, you can use drop-down radio buttons or cards, and for multi-select fields, you can use checkboxes or cards. To increase or decrease your image size, you can use the toggle here. Image size is relative to your form's font size, so everything scales appropriately. You'll notice that if I use the maximum size, the images spill onto a second row, even though side by side is chosen as the layout option. If you select a size that won't fit within your current layout, Cognito Forms will automatically adjust to a different layout for you. If you choose cards as your display style, you'll also see an option to adjust your label. These can be positioned to the bottom or to the right of your image. And if you want a clean, minimal layout, you can choose to hide labels. When labels are hidden, the choice label still shows in the entries grid, labels still appear whenever an image is missing, and the label is used as the image's alt text, ensuring accessibility. You can also show images for lookup fields or person fields, which is great when your lookup options come from another form, like a product inventory or employee list. To do this, your source form needs a file upload field that contains the image. If using a lookup field, scroll down in your field settings to the section labeled Choice Image. From there, you can add your file upload field and the image will be added to your form. If you're using a person field, you can just toggle on Show Profile Image. If multiple files are uploaded, only the first image will be used. If there are no images uploaded, the lookup option will simply show its name. These images appear on the form and on the entries grid. Before we wrap up, just one quick tip. I recommend that you use an optimized image size. The maximum file size allowed for a single uploaded file is 100 megabytes for organizations on the individual plan and 250 megabytes for organizations on the Pro, Team, and Enterprise plans. But just remember, the highest resolution may not be required, especially since the display size of the image is limited and larger files have slower load times. That's all we're going to cover in this video, but if you'd like to learn more, you can check out our user guides or reach out to us directly by submitting a support request.